Okay, let's try to get started. Hi! Make sure that my audio is actually working. It is wonderful, love to see it. Okay. Can I make you smaller? I cannot. I can make you smaller. Okay, cool. Kind of moving all of my shit around, so I'm trying to figure out what, like, layout I like for this. Anyway, hi, my name is Virtual Rook. Today we're going to be streaming. I'm going to be learning a little bit on hopefully like getting physics built into my skeleton model, just because I would like it if the sword actually could interact with the skeleton. So bear with me. I'm going to be watching a couple of tutorials probably today. You're not going to hear the tutorials, but I might be quiet for a little bit during certain parts of the stream. Thank you so much to my coffee supporters, Ethereal Vega and Starry-Eyed Prince. I really appreciate you supporting the channel. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. And what else? If you'd also like to support me, you can go ahead to the coffee right down below and buy me a coffee, because I need the energy constantly. I'm dying here. I've got no energy. It's terrible. Also, we have a website, or we have a store. I figure like maybe I can at least show that off. Okay. And fourth wall. Blink. Yeah, that should be good. We have a store that I have stickers, we have a mug, we have cool shirts, Pocket Rook being my favorite. Look at him, look how cute he is. Oh my god, it's adorable, right? And you should go to my store and you should get a shirt. The stickers I'm really proud of. I'm gonna try to get even better stickers. At some point I want to like actually like do my own custom stickers in-house that I will ship to you, but we're not there yet, so give me a little bit. All right, let's get started. I need to figure out a couple of different things. We do have jiggle physics set up to him though now, which I think is pretty cool. If we wiggle him, you can see he jiggles, which is super good. Just not perfect, because now we need to make it that he actually has physics, because I want the sword to be able to hit him. That's the goal for today. And also maybe remake the sword a little bit, because I think that I went a little bit too cartoony, and I think I want to tone it back a little. In fact, I might fix that right now, because that's at least something easy I can do pretty fast, I think. Sword. Because like literally all I want to do is just take this center part. Not even all of it, like just this. And just do that. Now that probably completely fucked up my entire like material system, but we'll see. It does mean that I'm gonna have to rebuild the sword, but that's fine. I'm not too upset about that. Okay. Because nothing says confidence like deleting something permanently. Obviously. Let's see, deck of many swords, FBX, deck sword. Okay. There we go. Oh, and then, okay, we're gonna figure this out one of these days, because right now it's all kinds of messed up. There, that's probably better. Okay. I should probably also change this so it actually has a shadow map. Or light map? I think it's a light map. Okay. Import. Cool. And then we're gonna do seed. New inherited seed. And that scene that we're going to inherit from is going to be an add-ons, Godot XR, objects, pick upable, okay. And then we're going to save scene as Go back up to the top, go to blueprints, and we're gonna do sword. Is it? Oh, I see. Don't save. Scene. Save scene as. Up. Add-ons. No, not add-ons, fuck. Blueprints. Sword. Okay. How's everybody doing today? I hope well. I'm excited to be working on this again, and I'm in high spirits today. It's just been a good day. You'll love to see it. Let's go back here. Oh, damn it. I saved the... it's fine. Save scene as. Level 00. Thank you. It's you that I want to save, damn it. Sword, save. Overwrite, thank you. Because now we have level 00 and we have sword. Okay, perfect. We're gonna call this sword. Then we will grab our deck sword. Blink. Oh, it's so beautiful. You'll love to see it. And we're gonna make it local. Just make local, there we go. Okay, bring it out there, delete that. Yes. Deck sword. Make unique. Surface 0. Make unique. Albedo. And then if we go to our materials, no, textures. Base color. Metallic. Normal. And roughness, which I think is actually up here. Hell yeah. Obviously we haven't finished texturing this, but I just think that looks nicer. I don't know, the other one felt so, like, overbearingly large. I just wanted something a little bit cleaner. Okay, and then with it selected, we'll go ahead and create collision shapes. Multi-convex is fine, create. For right now, that's fine. I'm just gonna let that do its thing. It's not like as accurate as I would like it, but it's fine. It's okay. We'll save, collision shape, oh right. So for this, we need to go to sword, and we have to say that we want to not detach the script, but we want to clear inheritance. There it is. And now we can delete this. Okay. Cool. Save. I'm trying to think if there was anything else we needed to change in that. I don't think we need anything for the XR player for right now, so I'm going to just leave it be. And I don't think if I grab the sword and try to hit him right now, I don't think it'll do anything. But let's test it and find out. Assuming that I didn't plug this in last night. So does this actually have power? I'm doubting strongly that this has power. Oh, turned on. Yeah, no, it does. Okay. Steam. Uh-huh. You guys can't see it, but I actually changed a bunch of, well, not a bunch of stuff, but I changed some things in my studio. And now, finally, whenever we do a higher shot where you can actually see the roof, I have it covered with a black fabric, so you don't see the insulation foam anymore on the roof. Thank goodness. All right, he's doing great. Pick up our sword. I didn't set up the grab points, but we will. Hello. No, see, he doesn't have any physics right now. So that's what we need to fix. This sword looks way better, though. God, it looks so much better. Okay. Which one of my burbs has joined the stream? Hey, Phoenix. How's it going? Good to see ya. Good to have ya. All right, let's go back into the sword. Let's set up our grab points. So, Control-Shift-A, grab. Open, and we'll do another one. Control-Shift-A. A woo. A woo woo. A woo a woo a woo. Okay. Yeah, right about there's probably good. And then I think I'm just gonna have to adjust each one individually. And this way, if one looks correct, they both should. That looks just about right. It's not like perfect. Right, the other day, I needed to adjust this because the wrists were incorrect, and I'm trying to think which direction. I think it's this way, I think. Save. Okay. Oh, wait, I forgot to turn them off. Whoops. Boink. Control save. Okay. Woo, going great. I finally got a new job starting from next month, but I'm going to go for courses next week. Oh, cool. Can I ask what the courses are for? Like, what are you going to be learning? What are you going to be doing at the new job? Obviously, don't tell me where you're going to be working, because that would be bad, but I would love to know, like, what kind of job it is. That would be neat. Yeah, no, that feels great. I think the sword might be able to be a little bit longer. I might even make the handle a little bit shorter since it is supposed to be one-handed. But yeah. I want to be able to hit you. I'm so excited to be able to actually hit you. It's like the whole goal of today. And snap distance seems pretty good too, which is nice. All right, cool. Also, I don't know if it's actually functioning or not, but I thought that I had added the new physics engine. Jolt. Maybe I didn't. Okay. Gutters. Oh, neat. Going great. Okay, yeah. Like cleaning gutters or installing gutters? I used to do demolition work, so it's a fun job. I really actually enjoyed that job. Okay, so now the next question is, how do I give bones physics? Or collision at the very least. Godot. Bone collision. This should be easy. Or at least, like, semi-understandable. This is 3 years old, so I feel like there is a way to do this now, though. It's So real quick, I'm gonna make sure. Godot 3D, items, bow attachments, character animation. Procedural animation. No. Sure. Is it a physical bone, maybe? Godot. Okay, let's try that other person's tutorial then. Because that at least, like, semi seemed like what I needed. And that was this one. Follow Bone 3D. Name A through Z, category all. Recently updated, category all, site, Godot engine official, and support. Maybe if we put it to testing. It said that it's called follow. Unless he changed the name of it. Because I'm not seeing follow bone. See if maybe somebody newest first. That I searched for 3 years straight. Now I can relax now and start making custom cloth for update. Everybody else is just saying that it's called Follow Bone 3D. But I'm not seeing it show up. Follow transform is a node that performs the inverse operation of the remote transform node in Godot engine. Enables one object to follow the transformations of another object. Simple add follow transform as component. No, it's definitely not that. Those are mine. Let's see if maybe he has a different way of finding it. To install, search follow bone and Godot as store, or by clicking from here. So I can apparently just grab it. Download. Scoop-a-doop-boop-boo. Documents, no downloads. Wait, are we done? We are not done. Okay, I will wait then. Let's see. My materials are loom, so I'll be part of workshop management. Nice. And I'll be part of bending the gutters and delivering them. Sorry, somehow my message got deleted. My auto mod sometimes can be a little bit jank. My auto mod's a little picky about who it or what it decides to let through sometimes. One day I will go through this and like, because So I'm sure there's a bunch of goodies that I could be using in here that I haven't even explored. MIDI converter, nice. Goodness gracious, how big is this file? Download zip. Weird, it's like really struggling. And I don't know why. Yeah, I have a store. I'm actually curious if I can set it up to make it that that's the command for voice control. And then what I'll do is whenever it goes, I'll make it that it actually makes a sound notification, so that way I know that it happened. Core sounds, play sound, search, documents, no, video, sound effects. Somewhere around here I should have bell. There it is. Cool. Save. So I have a store. I have a store. Damn it. Oh, it's because I have this set up wrong. Gosh darn it. Let's see, where is it? This one. I have a store. I have a store. Oh, I think I changed the name of it, but I didn't change the actual, like... Yeah. There we go. So now I can say, I have a store. Well, that was supposed to work. I have a store. There we go. And I should be able to also do that here. Sorry, I'm waiting for something to install right now, so that's why I'm messing around with this while I wait for it to finish. Sounds, play sound. And bell. Open. Okay, good. I have a coffee. Okay. Good. It's working. So now somebody's like, oh, can I donate to you? Or like, you know, buy you a coffee? I can be like, oh, I have a coffee. Oh, it didn't work that time. I have a coffee. There we go. So stupid. Voice commands, let's go. Hopefully that's not too, like, close that I'm accidentally triggering it all the time. So silly. All right, so let's see. Are you done? Oh my gosh, how big is this thing? just like, there's got to be an easier way than this. There's got to be. It has to just be that this is dumb. Item plus bone attachment, but that's not. I hate YouTube's layout, by the way. Can we just talk about the fact that YouTube's stupid? If I type something into YouTube search, why do I only get 4 videos of the results, and then it goes to shorts, and then it goes to other random ass shit? That doesn't make any sense. Level average body 3D with the animated skeleton inside to have the animation. For now, the collision is a simple capsule, but I want to make it more complex. I was hoping to get a system like CSGO where I could attach collision to bones. I tried, but either using bone attachment or a custom script setting the collision shape position to the bone position, but neither are working. How can I do this? You can create physical skeleton to add collision for bones. You can check here how to do it. Okay. Ragdoll system introduction. Since version 3.1, Godot supports ragdoll physics. Ragdolls rely on physics simulations to create realistic procedural animation. They are used for death animation in many games. In this tutorial, we will be using the platformer 3D demo to set up a ragdoll. Setting up the ragdoll, creating physics bones. Like many other features in the engine, there is a node to set up a ragdoll, the Physics Bone 3D node. To simplify the setup, you can generate physical bone nodes with the Create Physical Skeleton feature in the skeleton node. Okay, so if I go back here, click on the skeleton, create collision shape? No, that's not what I want. Oh, I was on the wrong thing. Create physical skeleton. Okay. Now the question is, now this is a physical skeleton. Click it, it's like the create physical skeleton option. Godot will generate physical bones, nodes, and collision shapes for each bone. The skeleton and pin joints to connect them together. Oh, well, that's super convenient. Let's see. And then that's just going over like the collision shapes for each, which I'm not sure if they're actually accurate. I might have to manually do each one because that looks like it's like insanely small. Yeah, okay. Ugh, this is gonna be a pain. Everybody hold on to your butts. We're gonna be doing a lot of collision shape editing. Oh, I think my headphones are dying. That's a shame. But yeah. I guess we'll switch over to these headphones for now, even though then I won't be able to put on my headset, but that's okay. Excellent. Woo! Setting up physics. Watch this not even work. That'd be so sad. Wait, why are you mad? There shouldn't be any transforms. Did I do something weird? Reset? Okay. I accidentally clicked something, but we're good. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Do I actually care about the fingers being accurate? I kind of don't. So I'm not going to worry about the fingers. You're just not going to be able to hit the hands. I do like the idea that you're going to be able to hit the collarbone, even though technically he doesn't have one. I also said you're not going to be able to hit the hands, but you are going to be able to hit the hands. The hands do have a collision shape. It's the fingers that you're not going to be able to hit. Oh, got a little buggy there for a second. Maybe let's save just to make sure that we don't implode. New box shape. Okay. Just go ahead and... I swear there's a way to make it so all of them would like do it at the same time, but whatever. Okay, and then the rest of these are gonna be fingers, thighs. Dem thighs though. Okay. Yeah, not perfect, but right now I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking for it to just work through use of as few things as possible. The less work I have to do, the better. One. Okay, go to you, focus. I love that I put my headphones on so I could listen to music while I did this. And then I got so like enveloped in setting this up that I never put music on. So right now I'm just sitting like a doink with no music playing. Yeah. Up a bit more. Out a little bit. In a little bit. Okay. So everything has physics now. Control save. My question is, does that make him break? Like, is that a good thing or a bad thing? What happens to him now whenever we hit him? Quit. Really quickly, I just want to set our timeout to be a little bit longer. Display off after 15 minutes. Actually, let's do 1 hour. Okay. That should be fine. Okay. All right, go back in here and we hit play. Oh my god, I get you have to start up and everything, but do we have to do the whole like, oh, here's the Steam logo and stuff every single time? Okay. I'm so whiny, I apologize. Okay. Hopefully he doesn't just immediately collapse. So far, no. Okay. Now, can I hit you? No, you still don't have physics. Then why did I just set up physics, Bones, if you don't have physics? Ah, sir. Oh, okay, you do have physics. Wait a second. You do have physics. I cannot walk through you. Okay, we're on to something. Excellent. Which means that the physics of the sword are not the same as the physics of the skeleton. Also, I think that whenever I added this, it might have messed up my wiggle bone. I'm guessing. One sec. So let's go ahead, collapse. No, wiggle bone's still set up correctly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So wiggly. Close out of you, yes. Hello, DSSmer. Or ASMR. How are we doing today? Hopefully well. So, what then? That's fine. What layer are these on? How do I even find out? I mean, they've got to be on some layer. They can't just not be on... Okay, here. Maybe? No, that's just the visual. Visual Instance 3D. What layer are you on? Visual Instance 3D. I'm trying to remember where exactly we can see what layer is being affected by the physics. Because that's the pickup layer, 17. Collision. Here we go. I always forget the difference between layer and mask. Physics layer, do you prefer Godot for VR development or Unreal Engine 5 or Unity? If you watch... Okay, OBS decided to have a little bit of a panic attack there for a second, but we're back. Can you hear me? Testing, testing, testing. Testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2. Can I refresh this? Hopefully I'm back up. Integration. Yeah, I wish I could just refresh. Okay, let me turn it back on. Yeah, no, it's completely broken. Ay, ay, ay. Hello. Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you want me to... Okay. As long as everything's okay, I see that there's a baby. Aww.
Not a rush.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know if there's a camera I could use for streaming?
Yes.
We can look into it like.
Yeah. Yeah, I can probably get you set up with my other camera. That's a baby right there.
It's a baby.
Have you tried AR with Godot yet? No, I have not. I know you can, but I have not given it a try yet. You guys have fun. Such a kitten. But no, I'm still pretty new, so I don't have like a crazy amount of knowledge on these things. Just you know, just what I've acquired so far from my work. Somewhere there's going to be a collisions layer, and I don't know where it is, but gosh darn it, it's gonna exist somewhere. Because like on the sword, it's at the base under collision object 3D, but on this there is no collision object 3D. Do I need to maybe change this to like something else? Yeah, I would love to try to do AR stuff, but that's way beyond my wheelhouse for right now. Okay, back to putting on some music. We're so close. We just have to... Here, wait. Let's go back to our documentation. I have an idea. Let's save real quick. I can't change it. Also, why is this huge? Weird. What kind of node is this? It's just a node 3D. Okay, so... change type to character body 3D. I don't know what that's going to do, but... So far, he's just standing there. You're right. Okay, the floor is wrong, but that's okay. It's just so weird that my sword doesn't have collision with him. Only I do. Let's see. Sword. I'm gonna set the collision to 1. Let's go ahead and hit play again. Should autosave. Okay. Maybe it's because I have physics hands turned off? So let's go back to our character, I guess. Do Control Shift A, and then physics hand open. Left physics hand. Control Shift A. Okay. Turn that off. And hit play. Oh, okay. Invalid access to property or key margin on a base object of nil. My guess is that it's mad that I have 2 hands in here right now. So let's go ahead and delete you. Delete. Okay. Oh. Delete. Okay. Right hand, left hand. Play. But now we have those physics. We just don't have physics on you. But the layer that my body is on for physics is the correct layer. Peculiar, very peculiar. Let's see. So my player body is on collision layer 20. So if we go to sword, turn on collision layer 20, which obviously is not ideal because now my body's going to collide with the sword, but let's just see. Aha! So it is colliding with him. It's just that the collision is turned off whenever the whenever I'm grabbing. Okay, next question then. XR player. So that's fine. Right hand's physics. Collision layer 1. This is probably a bad idea. But gosh darn it, I want to learn. Because my guess is that the skeleton's on collision layer 20. Or, I mean, on collision layer 1. Okay, still no. And then obviously yes. And then if I can also punch myself in the chest to move. But no collision here. Okay. So now let's turn on collision 20. And play. No, still nothing. Because we should be interacting with him now. But we're still not. Yeah. Oop. Hop, hop. At least I can hit myself without having to worry about it moving. Right. I clearly still have a lot of things I need to learn. Because he does have wiggle bones, but I don't know how to make them interact. Unless I made it that the... Dude, who is that behind you in your room? I don't know. I don't know, Physics. I like that it's physics, but like spelled incorrectly. Very nice. So, gosh darn it, I'm not sure. The only other thing I can think of is that the physics bones don't have their own collision or something to start out. I don't know. Ugh, it's making my head hurt. Let's see. Interesting. Try to his ex. I think his son. It's my son. My child. Okay. Oh goodness, my brain hurts. Is Meta's interaction toolkit supported in Godot? I want to. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna just be honest. I'm not entirely sure. These are better questions for the Godot Discord. They have an entire XR channel. They would be able to answer that way better than I would. I'm still too new to this to be able to give that kind of information. Okay, let's see. So, at the moment, I just want to be able... Do I have a scripts? Not yet. Hell yeah, okay. And then we will create a new script, and we're going to call it Hitbox. 2D. I'm hoping that I'm going, like, this tutorial is very much so just for 2D, but I'm hoping that I can make it work for this. Let me slow this down. Cool. For right now, we're just gonna make it that you deal 1 damage. Funk. In it. Void. Okay. That's. Not entirely sure why it's mad about this. Oh, I think it's because he doesn't do @export. There we go. Nude. Oh, I thought that this... Closure shape. Box. Okay, this is saying collision layer 2, so funk. My hurt box. Script. Hurt box. Mm-hmm. Okay, 1 sec, and then we're gonna go back to hitbox. Make sure this is collision mask equals 0. Control save. And then the hurt box, we're gonna go down to function ready, connect, area entered. That's not how you spell entered. Entered. Self. Box equals null. Why are you mad? What's wrong? Standalone lambdas cannot be accessed. Consider assigning it to a variable. What? What darnation? Function on area entered. Hitbox. Hitbox. If hitbox equals null, return 0. What are you talking about? Missing unindented at the end of function declaration. What? dot has method. Is it? No, we have a variable called damage, so why is this upset? Dot take damage. Expected end of line. He just like keeps going like everything's working, but it is not working. We have several things that are upset. This is upset because of this. Okay, good. Maybe everything else is upset just because we're like one jump too far. Okay. So now why are you mad? Invalid argument for connect function. Argument 2 should be callable but is hurt box. Wait, what? Invalid argument for connect. Function. Argument 2 should be callable, but is hurt box. What does that mean? Cannot pass a value of type string as int. String name. Area entered. Okay. I don't think that this connect is the same as his connect. Signal string target object method string binds. Yeah, I think that his is different than mine. Connect signal is string, target is object, method is string. This is a 2-year-old tutorial, so something might have changed. Signal. Because next is callable. I guess yes. So that should be good, I think. Connect. Signal, string name, callable. Check the signal by name to a callable. Optional flags can be also added to configure the connection's behavior. It can only be connected once the same callable. If the signal is already connected, this method returns 0. Okay. Too few arguments. Connect call. Expected at least 2, but received 1. String name followed by callable. Why are you mad? Button type cannot be used as a name on its own. Identifier callable not declared in the current scope. It's not supposed to be declared. You showed up. Binary, but for connecting signals, I prefer to use the connect method of the signal class itself, e.g. area entered.connect on area entered. So does that mean not setting this up at all? Because I feel like you're right. Let's see. So we'll get rid of this. We'll pass, I guess. And then instead, we will... Because I think they're doing it this way, so that way I can always grab it. I don't have to use the, like, signals. It'll just automatically set this signal to connect to this. Which I guess is also what you're doing. Here, wait. Area enter.connect. On area entered. Now what are we mad about? Hitbox. Function argument 1 should be hitbox, but is hitbox. Very helpful, thank you. Do you mean like this? That's amazing. So no answer I give it is something that it's going to be happy about. There we go. That works apparently. Can be accessed as a callable by omitting the round brackets at the end. Okay, perfect. There we go. Thank you, binary. Okay, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. Okay, unfortunately, I'm getting like super hungry, so I might have to pick this back up tomorrow because I'm getting hangry. I appreciate you helping me out, Binary, and if anybody's here currently that's not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. But I think for today, I'm going to be done. We still got a lot done. We got the jiggle physics on the Skeletal Boy, even if the sword isn't currently interacting with him. But I think that has more to do with the fact that I need to figure out how to make it so the sword is its own physics object that doesn't turn off its physics whenever we grab it. Because right now it turns off its physics whenever we grab it. So I need to set up, IK, like movement. So I don't know. I'll figure it out. We're getting into the very nitty gritty because I just need like physical movement, kind of like what you have in like Bone Labs. So we're gonna see if there's a tutorial somewhere for how to set up Bone Labs style of like rig for the characters. So much work. Anyway, but thank you for being here. I appreciate you. And have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. Maybe. Well, tomorrow's Friday. We'll see. Sometimes I don't do streams on Friday. We'll go based off of how I'm feeling. Okay. Bye.